Let's talk about the expression neck and neck. The expression neck and neck is often used to talk about any sort of competition where the competitors are very close to each other and each one has an equal chance of winning. A really good recent example would be the Super Bowl. So a couple days ago we had the Super Bowl and the two teams were just constantly very close. No one was really far ahead. It was always just a couple of points. So these two teams were neck and neck until the end when the Chiefs won. But we can use this for more than just sports. If you were having maybe an election and you were talking about the two candidates and the two candidates were very close, you could say that they were neck and neck. You didn't know who was going to win. If you're curious where this expression comes from, I'm not 100% sure, but based on what I've read, it seems to have originated with horse racing. And this makes a lot of sense when you think about horses racing. If the race is close, the horse's neck is what you're looking at to see who is going to win. So if the horses are neck and neck, they're very close and it's hard to tell. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you next time.